Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another video here. Today I'll be doing my makeup for like an idea for Valentine's Day. Alright. So first off, I'm gonna start off with my brows. As always, I like to get my brows shaped up right. I'm using the Morphe Brow Mechanical Pencil, which is really nice in chocolate. Um, I got this for Christmas. It was a Christmas gift, and I'm telling you, I like it. It's nice. I have like three different ones. It's really nice. Or maybe it's two different ones. But one is thinner than the other one, and one is kind of like more, diagonal. Like more, I would say, kind of like triangle shaped, more thicker, and the other one is really thin. And I don't like the thin brow products because it it breaks very easy. So now I'm diving into my Urban Decay concealer, and as you guys see, I shape underneath the brow bone. Now I'm taking the spoolie on the back of my brush, pulling the hairs up. Then I go in there with a concealer flat head brush and I tap it in. Then I'm using my MAC brush, my matte square brush or whatnot. I don't know the number, guys, because I don't. The brush is no, it's not getting clean anymore. I don't think. Yeah, so this is my MAC 232. And guys, I really don't get into all the numbers or whatever. Like if the brush is what the brush is. Either it's a flathead, it's a fluffy brush. It's pretty much whatever you want it to be at that time, whatever you think it is. But this is more of a this is a square, flathead brush to me, whatever. So I like this brush because it's square. I like using square heads and round brush heads when I'm doing my brows because it gets the brow. It helps arch the brow the way I like it. So applying that concealer, and I've already put the foundation on. The foundation that I used was Becca. Love Becca products. Becca is a very nice brand. So now what I'm doing is I dived into the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. So I'm just bronzing up the nose, getting the nose all together, like so. And I'm using my Morphe brush here, guys. I like the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I'm dying to try the new highlight she had. I'm dying to try those out. I really want to try that out because I'm definitely hitting pan with this family. But I'm definitely going to have to get another one. But I have more bronzers like Juvia's Place is what I'm going to be using. So now I've dived into my Fenty Beauty Butter Powder, setting powder. And I'm just, scoping the face or whatnot. Then, when I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and hit those eyes with a little bit of color using my, I forgot what palette it was. Yeah, I forgot what palette I actually used. But, I used the Tammy X from Revlon. And this is the not Revlon, this Makeup Revolution London, which is one of my favorite palettes because I like the pigment. It's so pigmented. So now, girl, I'm going to start drawing hearts on there, okay? Now, of course, I'm going to let you know I really went overboard when I was drawing the hearts. But, hey, some of those hearts got covered up. Okay? Because I was like, this is just too much to do. And be honest with y'all, I don't like doing a lot of work to myself unless I'm getting paid to do it. With all due respect, I cannot sit there and be doing all that stuff to my face and I ain't getting paid. to do it. Or, you know what I'm saying, I'd rather do it on somebody else's face. That's just how it is. I just don't feel I need to do all that on myself. Because we already know what I can do, okay? And I can do whatever I see others do. And if I don't see it, I'm going to kind of bring it out myself, you know. Not ideal. I'm going to get it myself and bring it out like that. So, using an eyeliner and pulling this off from Rare Beauty. I'm using that eyeliner. Oh, girl. When I tell you this is a nice eyeliner, girl. Ooh. When I tell you it's nice. This is a really good eyeliner. It's like easy to like put your line. Girl, and I'm like, why did I do this with this? I could have used like one of my old eyeliners or something, but child, I really, really like this liner because it made getting my eyes real easy, really, really easy. It made my life so easy and simple. And I was like, well, this is a nice product to use. So what I did was I went back in with a black eyeliner. And no, not eyeliner, because that was an eyeliner from Rare Beauty that I used. I went into a black eyeshadow just to fill in my heart. And then I proceed on, after filling it in, putting my rhinestones in there, girl. Putting my rhinestones. Girl, I just didn't feel up to it today. It was just too much, okay? I was really not up for this today, you know what I'm saying? But I tried to thug it out and do this video because, you know, I really don't get into, I don't really like to get into holidays if it's not Halloween or Christmas or whatnot. I don't even like doing looks for Christmas, but Halloween is like one of my favorite holidays that I do. But Valentine's Day, it really just, well, but anyway, I did it. Pulled it off. Using a duo glue. Not the best glue to use when you're dealing with, you know, your face, but it's okay. If you don't know, Duo is made by MAC. So, filling in, we're using glitter right now. And then, girl, but when I put them rhinestones in, I was like, oh my God, it's so pretty. But, you know how that is. It was beautiful.